Yesterday, the euro showed a hardly noticeable but stable rise. The euro's appreciation could be partly explained by technical reasons, namely oversold conditions. In addition, it was boosted by the dovish comments provided by the Fed's officials. They emphasized an increase in the yield of US bonds, which could prevent the Federal Reserve from a further key rate hike. Nevertheless, today, the quotes may return to the levels recorded on Monday. The fact is that the expected producer price report in the United States may show faster growth. And this means that in the best-case scenario, inflation slackening could be limited. However, the producer price index has been climbing for 2 consecutive months, thus creating a risk of inflation acceleration. Against this backdrop, the question of a new key rate hike in 2023 is likely to be raised again. What's more, if the worst comes true, the Federal Reserve may continue raising the benchmark rate next year, and this, in turn, is creating prerequisites for a movement towards parity between the euro and the US dollar. In addition, today, traders will learn about the recent meeting minutes, which will remind them about the regulator's intention to continue monetary policy tightening. Through the prism of technical indicators, we see that the euro-dollar pair reached the upper limit of the resistance area located at 1.0620, thanks to the correctional process. Just after the pair touched this level, the volume of long positions dropped and the upward movement slackened. To go on gaining in value, the price could consolidate above the resistance level. In this case, the pair may climb to 1.0680. However, if the price fails to settle above this level, it may slide to 1.0550. Meanwhile, the pound-dollar pair broke the resistance level of 1.2270 amid a correctional movement. If the price consolidates above this level, the volume of long positions may surge, thus pushing the price to 1.2350, and the downward scenario will become possible if the price slides below 1.2250. That's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.